In today's video, we're focusing on three unique methods within the LINQ realm: Enumerable.Range, Enumerable.Repeat, and Enumerable.Empty. Let's dive in. Before we delve into each method, it's crucial to understand a key distinction. These methods are static, setting them apart from the commonly used extension methods under the enumerable or queryable classes. Typically, when you think of LINQ, you might imagine methods like where, which operate on an existing sequence. This method can be used in these two ways. Both contain a sequence that we want to query. However, with the methods we're discussing today, there's no need for a pre-existing sequence. They help you generate sequences, hence they're often referred to as generation methods. Remember, Enumerable.Range, Enumerable.Repeat, and Enumerable.Empty are static methods, not extension methods. With that understanding, let's begin with our first method, range. Enumerable.Range generates a sequence of consecutive integers within a specified range, eliminating the need to manually define each number. This method accepts two arguments. The first argument is the start number. The second argument is the count of numbers to generate. For instance, if you define the start number as 3 and the count as 6, the resulting sequence will begin with the number 3 and include 6 consecutive integers. Let's explore some practical uses of this method. In an RPA task, if you need to generate invoice numbers for the next 5 days, Enumerable.Range can simplify this. In web development, for pagination controls where users can jump to specific pages, Enumerable.Range can generate the list of page numbers. It's also valuable for generating sample data or running repetitive tests. That concludes our discussion on the range method. Next, we have Enumerable.Repeat, which creates a sequence containing a repeated value for a specified count. It takes two arguments. The first argument is the value to repeat. The second argument is the number of repetitions. For example, using a string value to repeat 3 times would result in that string appearing thrice in the sequence. However, you can use any data type or expression. Practical applications include sending a recurring reminder email, generating placeholder content, like repeating the word loading 5 times while waiting for data, creating arrays or lists with default values, such as an array of integers containing 20 items with the value 10. That wraps up the repeat method. Lastly, Enumerable.Empty creates an empty sequence of a specific type. It's invaluable when aiming for type consistency even without data. This method requires only one argument: the type of the sequence, which can be a string, integer, boolean, and more. Some use cases are extracting data from external systems where, in the absence of data, returning an empty sequence is preferable to null or an error. Starting with an empty list before populating it from various sources to maintain type consistency. Loading data conditionally, where the default set is empty. That's everything about the empty method. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to underscore one last time that these methods are static and not extension methods. This distinction allows them to stand apart and offer functionalities that regular LINQ methods might not. It's always a good practice to know the tools at your disposal, and these methods are powerful additions to your LINQ toolkit. Whether you're looking to generate data, repeat actions, or handle empty sequences gracefully, these methods have got you covered. Later in the next videos I will show you where to use these methods in real use cases. That's all about these three methods.